Hello everyone, welcome to part 170 of multi-vendor e-commerce website that we are making in Laravel 9, and it will also work in Laravel 10 as well. We have recently upgraded our website to Laravel 10, but if you are the new user, you can install the Laravel 10 and can start this series. Okay, so in this video we are going to work on the product search functionality, and we are going to search by product name, product code, product color, even the description. Okay, so let's start working on this video. And here see, this is the field from where we are going to search, and you can see that the user can search any term here like top, and also you can check the section is here. So if we will select all, then we are going to search from all these sections. If the user select any of the section name, then we will search that from that particular section. Okay, so first of all we are going to work on searching the item in all these sections. Okay, so let's start working on this one. We are going to update the header blade file, and this is the header part. This is okay. So this search box is located in the header blade file, so we are going to open and start updating it. Header.blade.php, and here you can see that it is located in the front, and we will search here. Here it is. Choose category for search. Okay, so here we can see the form is already here, so we are going to modify this form, and we are going to add the action here. And the in action, we are going to create its route later on, but that route URL we will add here right now, and we are going to make it like search products. Okay, search products, we can make this route name later on. Okay, we are going to use it, and also we are going to use the method this time as get. Okay, not as post, so it will be good for the URL as well, that search SEO as well. It will be good for the SEO as well if we will get these kind of searches on the URL browser, on the URL. Okay, so uh, so once we have updated that form action, after that we are going to modify the field as well. Here we are going to name this field like we are going to name this field, make it search as well, input name search. Okay, we are going to name it like this search. Now for this one, section name, we are going to have the ID in this field. Instead of name, we will have the value as ID, section ID. Okay, and the rest everything seems to be fine. Type submit is there. So we are going to create its route in web.php file. We are going to create its route inside the front. Okay, so inside the front, outside the auth, because it is for all user who also not logged in. Search will they can even search without logging in. So we will add here search product, search products. Okay, so search products, and here route get, and here we are going to add search products, search hyphen products. Okay, so here we are going to add ProductsController at the rate of listing. Okay, so ProductsController at the rate of listing. So now this listing function we are going to add in ProductsController. This is already added, but we are going to modify it. Okay, this listing function inside ProductsController, we are going to modify this function. Like if it is Ajax, we have the else condition as well, and one more condition we are going to add here. Or we can work with else condition itself, like if the category count is greater than 0, and here we are going to add the another condition, like if the category count is greater than 0. Before it, we are going to add one more condition, like if the search result, if the search is there, if the user search, it means that it will come here. Like if I'm going to search for this top, and here it will come here. Okay, at the top it will show here. Like I'm going to here refresh, and once again I'm going to search for the top. Here you can see this search hyphen products, search top. So if in case something is coming in search at the get request, okay, in the URL, then we are going to add this condition. Okay, we are going to add this condition and see if it is, if the value is there, then we are going to work on this condition. Okay, so now what we can do, we can simply add it here, the condition. Yeah, we can add it here. So category count, we can also add the condition here as well, url, and before url as well. Okay, any value we can add, or the category count is greater than 0, url is not here, then else this one. Okay, so fine. So we can add this one here like this one complete. We can go down, and now here we can add the condition, if is set dollar underscore get search. Okay, we can even use the request if the data is coming in post anytime. If we use the post method, request search. Okay, search variable is there and it is not empty, it is having some kind of value. Okay, then we are going to search it. Okay, like this, then we are going to search it here, and in else condition we are going to add this all, and in else condition we are going to cut this and we'll paste it like this. Okay, we're going to do it like this, and here we're going to do like this. Fine. Okay, so now if the data is searched, any of the product is searched. Okay, then we reached inside the search condition, and here see we have the category details. We can see the category details is here, and we are having the data inside this one. But here what we are going to do, we are going to put some data in category details manually, like for breadcrumbs we have the breadcrumbs here, and in breadcrumbs we are going to put this search, whatever the data is search we are going to put in breadcrumbs. Okay, so we are going to put it like this. And another thing is for the category details. Okay, once again we have the category details here, and inside that category name, we are using that category name, category underscore name, and in that as well we are going to put this search. Okay, whatever the user search we are going to put it, and in category description, and there is one more, that is description, that we are using inside this. And here we are going to make it like search product uh, for, and this is the result like this. Okay, and for now see, now we are going to use this one, category products. Okay, this one is statement, category products. Okay, we are going to use this one, category products here. Okay, so category products, product with brand, and here see, see now, see we are going to use the join here. uh, okay, to get the result from the search, we are going to search in the products table with product name, product code, product color, description. Okay, and we are going to join with the categories table, we are going to join the product with the categories table. Okay, as we are going to search in the category name as well. Okay, along with this we are going to search in the category name as well. Okay, so we will add the join here as well, because we also want to search in the category name, and that is located in the categories table. So we are going to join both products as well as the categories table. Okay, here categories, and here dot categories dot id, categories, categories dot id. We're going to copy this one, categories dot categories.id. Here we are going to compare this categories.id with the products.category id. Okay, products dot category id, category underscore id. Okay, we are going to compare this with the, and here where function we are going to add the subquery here. Okay, so that we can add all the conditions from where we're going to search. Okay, dollar query. Okay, so we are going to use here like this, and we are going to okay, so we are going to use here uh, we are going to use that this search product. Okay, so we need to add this one in one variable, otherwise it will not go there. We will make the variable like search underscore product at. Okay, we are going to put here search underscore product like this one. Okay, and this one we are going to use here in all. Okay, we are going to use it like here. Okay, like this, and also we are going to use this one here. Okay, so now inside this dollar query, now we are going to use all the conditions like where uh, products dot product name, like we are going to use the like for searches like, and here percentage, here it will come dollar search product, and it we are going to make it like percentage once again like this. Okay, and after that over where will come, so we are going to copy this one, so it will come here or where. Okay, so here it will come product code like this, all will come one by one. Okay, so it will come like this, product code, then product color. Okay, and then description. Okay, and after that see in categories table we are going to search for the category name. Okay, category name. Okay, and like, okay, fine. So one more thing here, that we must search for the products whose status is 1, where products dot status is 1. Okay, so now this category products we will just use the get. We can use the get like this also, get category products, then category products once again, then get. Okay, uh, so finally the return view statement like we are using here, we can simply copy this one and we'll paste here. Okay, and here we're going to add a front product listing with category details. Category products URL is not required here, we can remove this URL. Okay, we can use it like this. Okay, so now we are going to check this one, it is working or it is showing some error. We are going to search for this one like this, and it is showing some error, because now we need to check what is the error exactly. We are closing this one. Here we're going to see if is set. Okay, we are going to close this one like this, and here okay, now we are going to check here, and I'm going to refresh once again, and this time some other error that is coming in the category products here with our query. Okay, we are going to check product with brand join categories dot id. Okay, so after that uh, mm, here it seems to be issue. So we need to do it like this. Here need to end it like this. And now see, now it seems to be fine. Let's see, refresh once again, and still there is the error message. We need to see categories dot id and comparison with equal to. After that, it is comparing, we are comparing it to the products dot category underscore id. Okay, so after that where, okay, so we have started with the where condition, where function, then dollar query. Okay, after dollar query, here we not add this one, use search product, that is fine. And now we need to see once again. Okay, so we're going to refresh it and see, now the error has come up here. We need to see here, and here it will come the single, I think single bracket must close. So still there is some error, unexpected token. We need to check again. Okay, so here we need to close semicolon as well. Now we will check once again, and now undefined variable dollar $URL. Okay, it is inside filters. Okay, yeah, we need to update the filters blade file, and located in the front. Okay, and we need to update a few of the filters where the search is not applicable. We are going to modify here this size, color. I think we all are required to be modified. uh, Here the search will not work. Okay, so we will add the condition for all. Okay, so like this we are going to add the condition for all these. Okay, so our condition will start from here for all the filters, and here we are going to add if the search if is set dollar request. Okay, search. Okay, search, and this one is starting from here to here. Okay, and we are going to add if. Okay, so now see, now add one more place, dollar URL sort products. Here also we need to add this condition where it is sort products. We are going to search sort, and I think it's not here, it's maybe in the listing.blade.php file. We also required to update this one as well, and here also we are required to add this condition so that search will not applicable. See, it will, we will not show in case this search is happening. Okay, so here okay, for this one as well we need to modify this sorting that will not work. Okay, so we are going to show all the pages if the search is happening. Okay, so now see, now it is working fine, and you can see nothing is searched for now. Okay, search product for top, and here also in description we need to have some space, search product for like this one. Okay, so now search product for top is not there. We don't have, unfortunately we don't have any kind of product t-shirt. I'm going to search for the shirt. Okay, shirt, it will come as the t-shirt, as there is space in t hyphen shirt. Okay, you can see the number of t-shirts have come if you will search for the shirt, and you can see all the, like now if I will search for the blue, only blue, then see only blue color of mobile as well as the t-shirt is the shirt, and t-shirts are coming. Okay, so the search is working fine, and here you can see the home blue, and here you can see the search product for blue. Okay, so here we have the left sidebar, but we don't have any kind of filters because the filters will not work if the search, if we're going to search for any of the product. But still, this part, browse categories part, we need to make it dynamic. Okay, this part is still pending to make it dynamic, so we are going to make it dynamic very soon. Okay, and other than this, no other thing will come. Okay, so here we are showing the four products are we able to search for these four products, and this search is for all the sections. Okay, not for specific section. And if we will going to send the section id, then we are going to search for that specific section id. Okay, then we need to add one more condition here, like if the search that section id comes from there, then we will also add here the condition of the section id. We're going to search for the section id as well, like if I'm going to what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make it like okay, so let's first search that, like if I'm going to search blue in the particular section id like electronics, I'm going to search for this one. Okay, so in that case, search equal to blue, and here I'm going to check whether we have given the name is not given. Okay, so I'm going to give that name here. Name is the section id, section underscore id. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh once again and we'll search for the blue here, and blue in some specific like electronics. Okay, and now see, now the section id is also coming. So if in case the section id is coming, then we are going to search in the section id only. So here one more condition we are going to add in the same way, like we have this condition, I'm going to add this condition as well. Okay, and I'm going to make one change here. This one section id I'm going to copy and we'll paste here, and we'll replace the search with the section id. Okay, so here we will add another condition. I'm going to copy this one, and here another where condition I'm going to add. Will check it in the uh, products dot section id, products dot section underscore id. Okay, and we'll compare it with the dollar request section id. Okay, so let's search here, and we're going to search it here like this. And here you can see we able to search only in mobile, as this section id belongs to that particular section. Okay, and also one more thing we are going to do here, like if we are searching for some term and it's actually coming, then we are going to show it as well. Okay, like if the search is not empty, we are going to check there, like we are doing here. So the same condition, I'm going to copy this one and we'll add it here. Okay, here I'm going to add at the rate of if. Okay, if it is there, then we are going to show it here as well. And I'm going to copy this one here as well like this. Okay, and at the rate of and if. Okay, and here see, blue is come here. Okay, because we have searched for the blue product, so it is coming here as well. Also we can select if any of the section id is here. Okay, so the same condition we are going to add it here as well. So I'm going to copy the same one here and will replace with some changes, and here. Okay, and in place of this one, I'm going to put it section id, section underscore id. Okay, if we are getting the value here, then we are going to show it. Okay, then we are going to make it selected. Okay, selected, selected, and if so now see, if we are searching in section id, we are going to select that particular id. But here appliances, no, it is not the part of the appliances, it is part of the electronics. Let me check here. It must be the part of the electronics. Let's uh, see this particular mobile. I'm going to check Redmi Note 11 and its product id is 5. Okay, so I will check its section with product id 5. Product id 5 is not here. Okay, let's show let okay, not this one. See, there is some issue here. We can see it is fetching the wrong product id here. Information is correct, but the id is wrong, so we need to check its correct id and need to display its product id must be 1. So in that case we need to see here, maybe something is wrong here, and here we need to specify the right details. Okay, so we are going to debug our code what is coming in search. Okay, because I think something is wrong. Okay, so here I will try to use convert it to 2 array. Later on I will convert it back to the that JSON, but right now for debugging I am using this one. I am going to check what actually it is coming in the products category products. Okay, so I think id is mismatching with these categories because we have used that join, so that's why the issue is coming. Here we are going to see here, so id section id, see here you can see the id is 5 because I think it conflicts with the id of the category id. So see its id must be 1 though. I'm going to check here, going to open the products as well as its category. Okay, we can check here its category id is 5 as well and id is 5 as well, so category id is correct. See the category id is 5, that is smartphone, that is fine, but its id is not correct, that must be 1 only. Okay, so that may be the issue. Okay, so for that thing, see brand information is also coming here, that is fine. Okay, so only the issue with the id. So there are two ways to handle this one. One is to fetch the correct id, or we can use here the select, and we can select all the required data here. Okay, like select, if we will use, then this issue can be resolved. uh, like we are going to select here products dot id. Okay, but in that case we need to select all, not one, we need to select all the information that we are using there. Okay, not one information. Okay, like product id, products dot id, like this we are going to need to add all here. Okay, so first of all I'm going to do it like this, all the information that we require, like id, section id, if in case required we are going to use it like section id. If we require the category id, we are going to use it like the category id. Then the brand id. Okay, the brand id. Okay, then the vendor id. Okay, so I think that is not required right now. So we can left these one. Product name we can use it, product name. Okay, product code also we can use it. Okay, product code also we can use. Okay, so some more info we require here. Okay, so now we can add some more info here. Okay, so product color also we may require. So after product color, product price also we may require. Okay, we are going to give the product price as well, and product discount also we may require. And we can left the product weight, product image also we may require. Okay, product image also. Okay, and product video, group code, description also we may require, we are going to give the description as well. And operating system, screen side occasion, all this we can left. Okay, and now we are going to check that whether it will work fine or not. I'm going to refresh it and going to disable this one. So before disabling I will move it back to the get here. Yeah, one more thing we can do here, if we are going to check first of all the result, like this specific information. Now see id is correct this time 5, and category id is 5. Sorry, id is 1, category id is 5. Okay, this time it seems to be showing the correct result. And now we are going to remove this one once again, and we'll see here, and we'll refresh here, and to see the product id this time is 1. Okay, I'm going to click on this one and the correct product is coming this time. Okay, you can make this change at your end. And now once again I am going to search with the blue here, not in appliances. See, in appliances it will not show at all. I'm going to search in it in electronics, blue in electronics, but it is coming correctly. But here still we need to check its section id is 2. Okay, so I'm going to check whether its section id is correct or not. I'm going to click on section. Yeah, the section id is 2, that is correct. Okay, electronics is the section id 2, but I think its comparison may be creating some issue. We are going to check here in search here. Okay, so where it is, here it is. Okay, so like request section id, section not empty. Okay, fine. Okay, so this one we need to compare it with this one. Okay, that is fine. One of the condition met, but the another one is not empty, that is also fine. Now we need to add and this section id, okay, must equal to this one, this section id. Okay, so only then we can able to select. Okay, so like this. Now we are going to check here and hope this time electronics must come, and it is coming fine. Okay, like if we will select in clothing, blue in clothing, see only blue t-shirts coming. Okay, blue shirts and t-shirts coming, and here it is blue clothing. And we will select in electronics, then here blue is searched in electronics, and in electronics mobile devices come. So we able to search the blue smartphone in electronics. So if we're searching for all, then it will search blue in all the categories, in all the sections, like mobile as well as the clothing brands come. Okay, here you can see the mobile as well as the clothing products are also coming. Okay, so our search is perfectly working fine here. Okay, so you can update the search at your end, and do contact me if you will face any issue, and do subscribe the channel, and always join the channel to get the complete source code. This source code you will not get anywhere. Okay, so you can use this source code in your real website and make your website really a full proof functionality. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.